B. Upon receipt of such payment, the facility agent shall pay to each pre-transfer lender an amount equal to any reduction in its participation in each outstanding loan, as calculated pursuant to paragraph I above. D. The novations referred to in paragraph I above shall take effect, so that A. To the extent that in paragraph E above the pre-transfer lenders transfer by novation, their rights, benefits, and obligations in respect of their participations in outstanding loans, the borrower and each pre-transfer lender shall be released from further obligations towards one another under the finance documents, and their respective rights against one another shall be cancelled, but in each case only to the extent of such pre-transfer lender's relevant proportion, such rights and obligations being referred to in this clause 2.3 as the discharged rights and obligations. B. The borrower and each accordion increase lender shall assume obligations towards one another and acquire rights against one another, which differ from such discharged rights and obligations only insofar as the borrower and each accordion increase lender have assumed and acquired the same in place of the borrower, and each pre-transfer lender, such rights and obligations being referred to in this clause 2.3 as the assumed rights and obligations. And C. The facility agent, the pre-transfer lenders, the accordion increase lenders, the borrower, and the other finance parties shall acquire the same rights and benefits and assume the same obligations between themselves as they would have acquired and assumed had the proposed additional facility limit formed part of the original facility limit, with the rights, benefits, and obligations acquired and assumed by it as a result of such transfer, and to that extent only, the facility agent. Each pre-transfer lender, the borrower, and each finance party shall be released from further obligations to each other under the finance documents. IV. For the avoidance of doubt, any amounts due or owing to the pre-transfer lenders pursuant to any finance document before the accordion increase date, including, without limitation, all amounts in respect of the principal amounts of any loans outstanding immediately prior to such accordion increase date, together with interest, fee, and commission in respect of such amounts, shall be for the account of such pre-transfer lender and by reference to their respective facility limits and in accordance with the terms of this agreement immediately prior to such accordion increase date, and no accordion increase lender shall have any interest in or any rights in respect of any such amount, other than any amount of principal transferred to it on the accordion. Increase date, in respect of which it has made a payment to the facility agent pursuant to paragraph 6D above, and V. For the avoidance of doubt, the interest and fees payable to each accordion increase lender shall be calculated on the same basis as the interest and fees payable to the pre-transfer lenders under the finance documents.